Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner tire pressure light. First, ensure all your tires, including the spare, are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. You can find this information on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Using a reliable tire gauge is crucial for accuracy. This initial step often resolves the issue without further action. Next, locate your TPMS reset button. It's typically found under the dashboard, near your steering column. With your vehicle's ignition in the on position, but without starting the engine, press and hold this button. Continue holding until the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard blinks 3 times, then release it. This signals the system has entered reset mode. After pressing the reset button, you'll need to drive your 4Runner. Drive at a speed of 50 miles per hour or more for at least 10 minutes. This driving period allows the tire pressure monitoring system to properly recalibrate and register the new tire pressures. The warning light should then turn off on its own, indicating a successful reset. If the tire pressure light remains illuminated after these steps, don't worry. First, double-check all your tire pressures once more. Sometimes a small discrepancy can keep the light on. If the issue persists, it might indicate a faulty TPMS sensor or a more complex system problem. In such cases, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.